WebCheckout is the booking system that we use to manage equipment and rooms here at the Stratford School. To book a room in WebCheckout, after logging in, I need to select Create New Reservation. Rooms can be booked for 2 hours at a time, so I need to make sure that my start and my end time are within a 2-hour window. So I'm going to change this now. Now that my start time and my end time are within the 2-hour period, I can select Add Resources. On the Add Resources page, I select Rooms. I'm looking for a project room on the second floor, so I select Project Room second floor. Navigate to here and I need to select the specific items and availability. Choosing the specific items and availability selection allows you to know which project room you're booking and to select exactly the one that you want. If you don't use this, your confirmation email won't tell you which room you've booked. So I'm going to select room 2106. I add it to my cart and I can scroll back up, review and submit my reservation. I'm going to create a reservation for booking equipment using WebCheckout. So I'm going to select Create a New Reservation. Equipment can be booked out for 7 days at a time. So I need to make sure that my start and end time are within 7 days of each other. So I know I have a project coming up on Wednesday. So I'm going to book out equipment on Wednesday, September 19th. And I'm going to pick it up at 12 p.m. And then I want to have it for a week, so I'm going to make it September 26th as my return time. And then I need to edit my time to make sure that it's 12 p.m. because if it's anything longer than that, then it exceeds the 1-week loan period. So now I can select Add Resources. Then I select Cameras, Canon 70D, reserve one of this type. I can select Back and add more items. So I'm going to add an audio recorder. So I'm going to go Audio, Recording, H4n Audio Kit, reserve one of this type, review and submit. So I'll see that I have one Canon 70D and I have any type of H4n audio kit. So I can either continue editing and add to my reservations by selecting Back and adding additional items here, or I can go ahead and review and submit my reservation, and then I'll get a confirmation message as well as an email to my inbox saying that my reservation has been confirmed. If I've created a booking in WebCheckout that I no longer need, I can quickly and easily cancel it or edit it. So I do that by going to My Reservations. I can click and see that it is a project room on the second floor, and I can either edit the reservation or cancel the reservation. So I'm going to select Cancel because I no longer need this. Cancel reservation, and now it's been canceled.